Hello people, so here I am on the 18th of March 2018. I'm at Aldi's here and just having a look at the gardening section. So, spoke a lot about these in the past, the old windowsill greenhouse, windowsill propagators, £1.99. So there you go, got all sorts going on here. We got perlite there. That is £3.49. We've got £3.99 rose and shrub feed. We've got multi-purpose controlled release plant food. That's £3.99. So £3.99 rose and shrub, £3.99 multi-purpose. What else have we got here? Path, patio and decking cleaner. That is, just trying to find the price, £1.99, and there we go. And what else have we got here? We have got wire grate coir mat, whatever that is, £3.99 there. And what else? We got, what's this? Keeps bins fresh for days. Bin Buddy. Okay. Oh, £2.99. Okay. Compost Maker, £2.99. Makes rich dark compost in weeks. Does it really? A compost accelerator designed to speed up the breakdown of organic garden and household material, which might otherwise degrade very slowly. There you go, Compost Maker. So that is, how much is that? Can't find the price for that. Oh, here you go. £2.99 Compost Maker. Oh, and also Fish Blood and Bone. That's £2.99 as well. So the old Fish Blood and Bone is down here. There you go. Yes, what else have we got? Rooting powder, weed killer.
Store assistant required at till 6, please.
Garden tools, trowels, cultivator hose, a whole lot. What else we got? Seed and cutting tray, £2.99. 5-in-1 garden tool. Seems quite cheap. I mean, £129.99. So what we've got there: the chainsaw attachment, brush cutter attachment, hedge trimmer attachment, main unit itself, extension pole. I mean, for that money, £129.99. You know, who knows? Was it petrol or two-stroke? Two-stroke. There you go. It's upside down, but never mind. Not a bad price. I mean, I don't know if it's any good or not, but at that price for basic garden maintenance, can't really. I'd like to say you can't go wrong, but I couldn't say that until one had tried it. Collection of garden tools here. What else have we got? Petrol Chainsaw, 41cc. Oh, it's got an Oregon bar on it. 80 quid, 16-inch bar. You know, 80 quid. Who knows? Could be good. I'm not expecting it to be like a, you know, top quality one, but who knows? I may be mistaken. Incinerators, £14.99. Now this is always intriguing. I mean, a petrol lawnmower, look, self-propelled, £199.99, Briggs and Stratton engine. Now for 200 quid, I mean, before I used to have a hater lawnmower with a Briggs and Stratton engine. They're known to be good engines, really. You know, made in Austria. What else have we got? Chicken manure pellets, £5.99. It's all good stuff, isn't it? Yeah, an intriguing section of gardening items really. I mean, get down your local Aldis and have a look. You know, water butt set, 210 litre, $29.99. Well, it looks pretty well built, doesn't it? I'm keeping the old camera down here. Propagator set. I mean, these are good, aren't they? I've used things like propagator sets before. You've seen me never used this particular ones. You've seen the ones I've used before. Natural lawn feed. How much is that? Can't find out. Oh, is this it? Yeah, $3.99 lawn feed. The Green Garden. Grow your own shake and rake seed shaker. And it's got out of focus. £1.49. Got mats here. What's this? What's this? 2-in-1 lawn repair kit. $3.99. Covers approx 14 square meters. It says on that down there. Look, see. There you go. So anyway, artificial grass. Not my thing at all, but some people like it. What's this? Splitter taps. Grass for £5, $4.99. No, some good stuff. What we got here? Growing cloche, $4.99, $3.99. Brilliant. You know, take a look around, get down there, have a look see. Running out of memory now. If you like my work, please feel free to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.